Check out this week's must-see movies.
Nice to have you back, Professor.
Why Dante? Why this map of hell?
Robert Langdon is back, racing across Europe to foil a deadly plot in Inferno.
Dante's Inferno isn't fiction, it's a prophecy.
How's it going? I don't like being followed.
Tom Cruise is running from the law in the action flick Jack Reacher, Never Go Back.
When I find you, I'm gonna kill you all.
I'll show you. Are you here?
A little girl is accidentally possessed in the horror thriller Ouija 2: Origin of Evil.
Do you know what it feels like to be strangled to death?
Here's this week's Fanticipation. So what's your weekend ticket going to be? Let us know by commenting below. See you next time on Weekend Ticket.